it's a hard time because they can't do group activities. Our residents have not been able to have visitors for quite some time. Instead of getting an actual hug, people are going to go around and honk and wave and show them that we love and care about them. It makes them know that their families haven't forgotten about them, they love them and they care about them. I think that this is going to really put a smile on their face. We're actually going to do another Honk for Hugs at our Cleveland location.